Hey everybody, it's Kaney Grylls here. We're making a birdhouse. Hey everybody, it's Kaney Grylls here. We're making a birdhouse. This is my friend Poppy.
Hi, welcome to TLP Woodworking with Kaney Grylls. We're going to build a birdhouse today. This is my grandson, so we're going to have some fun.
You want to make sure you have your PEE on.
Here you go. Here's your PPE. Let's fix it. All right, good to go.
We're starting for the hole for the birds.
So this is exterior glue.
What?
So
I can't hear too well because I have my earbuds.
so, right?
And so the other.
Well, there's the bottom. You can do the same thing. Line up. See that part right there? And that's the one top. Right. Appreciates the help. Think you okay?
No.
You don't think the little bird's gonna like that?
What are you getting it in here for? I have to work.
Oh, get back to work.
Turn it on.
As good as a bird.
Who does this like? Probably a little too big.
Your light.
Are we gonna paint it?
Yeah, that's you and Grammy.
Even the stick?
Well, yeah, you don't paint the brass, you just paint everything else.
Maybe. Yeah, where did it come from?
So this wood was from Pennsylvania. Imagine that, not from you, in Hanover, Pennsylvania. It was going to be firewood, but the guy sold it to Grammy and Poppy, and we brought it back and milled it. So this wood's been sitting in my shop for 3.5, almost 4 years, waiting to be made into something. So now it gets to be made into a birdhouse with you. So that's pretty cool. It's red oak, you know, so once you paint it, it'll be good. It's a nice American wood. Red oak is an American wood, you know.
It smells good, kinda.
Yeah, it smells kind of good. White oak, its cousin over here, smells even better, you know. And that's what these chairs are going to be made out of, that's sitting back there.
I want to smell the white oak.
All right, well. Smell that.
This smells good.
All right.
What is
That's the
this?
same thing there, that's white oak. Now this is from Delaware. A friend of Poppy's down in Delaware has this wood, and I got it from him. So we recycle wood so it doesn't get turned into firewood, you know. We like to use it and try to make nice things out of it.
Like chairs?
Hmm?
Like chairs?
Like chairs, like, I don't know, a cradle that you were rocked in.
Look, so you stood a lot of wood up there too.
Yeah, that's more of that same wood. That's from that same tree. It's just sitting up there because, you know, Poppy has limited space, but all this wood, you know, and all these tools are used to make that, to do something cool for people, you know.
Like for us?
Absolutely for you. Let's see what we make, Mike. That little entertainment holder TV thing for your dad. We made your cradle that you were in. You see, I make chairs and all kind of cool stuff. You know, we just made a birdhouse, so we can make a bunch of other things too.
Maybe just in one video.
Or you're right. We can make another video of you just running around the shop, jumping on the wood. Because it's just as much fun. You know?
Yeah, because, like, there's, like, a few hiding places.
Yeah, there's a couple hiding spots. All under here. Pop's got even more wood. There's more wood hidden under there.
Why do we need so many wood?
Because Grammy and Poppy make wooden salad bowls and stuff like that for people to eat salad out of, so you always need wood.
Well, you could also make, like, spaghetti bowls.
I can make spaghetti bowls. I can make a spaghetti strainer too. It's just a bowl with a bunch of holes in it. And we can do that. There's bowls all around. Everywhere you look, there's a bowl. There's something everywhere.
This could be a wheel.
It could be a wheel, but it starts out as a limb, and what's happening to it is it's being turned into a bowl. So it'll start out like this, and then it finishes off like this. And then this is something that Grammy and I either sell or give away or use in our own house. This was holding a big old thing of candy inside the house. I actually dumped it out to bring it out here. But this is maple. This maple is from the west coast of the United States. I paid a guy for this to ship it to me. He shipped me 3 pieces of it. And it cost me $255 for 3 pieces of this and 3 pieces of some other wood. So this wood's not from our side of the country. It's from the other side. It's big leaf maple. And they have that in Canada too. But
Well, this could be like an exercising thing too.
It could be for you. It could be whatever you want.
It could even turn into a pretty good wheel. Well, that's just
Right. And then this piece is from Delaware. I just got this not too long ago from Delaware. It was going to be turned into firewood. But what it'll do, it'll end up making a bud vase like that.
wow.
And that has a glass insert, so if you wanted to, you could add water to it. To keep your flower just a little bit alive a little bit longer. But, these are other things that Poppy and Grammy make here.
So that's also pretty nice too. And you can make it, you can make it taller too.
Mm-hmm. No, I have them taller, so I mean, you can make them whatever you want. You can take these and if you wanted to, just build a whole bunch of them together and make one big taller one.
You could also make these different colors, purple.
Yep, this is actually dyed orange. This wasn't orange. This looked just like this, but now it's dyed 5 times to look like that. And then it's polished and signed.
This is before. This is where the birds climb in, and this is where they hang out. No animals can get in except birds or other tiny insects.
Technically, to keep this, yeah, this knife is pretty sharp. Let me get stick yourself with that, that'll hurt. stickers go away.
We're gonna put this onto my birdhouse after I paid. It looks good. This side is done too. Turn it over. That was a good turnover. Then I just have to turn it. Yeah, look that up. Look that up. And then it's done. It is Kaney Grylls here. This is the front. This is the top. This is the Kaney Grylls part. This is the back, and this is the other side. Thank you for TLP Woodworking on YouTube. I can't wait until the birds are in here tomorrow. Make sure you click the bell button and subscribe. Hey guys, it is Kaney Grylls. If you want to check out my merchandise, it's in the comments below.